So first let's go here because it is very dangerous to hit on there. I'm so scared. Hi guys, it's Likhith. So I am in my grandmother's house. So I bought this toy that is helicopter. So I will unbox and show you. See this? First you get this remote to control, and see this one helicopter. There was a mini color, so I liked it blue, so I took that. And that is chargeable. See this? And we need to use the D-type cable. They already given it. So on-off button is here. Here. See this? This one. Charger. I will on and show you. But if we fly it, it will go that side or that side. We'll go there. Okay, now I will on it and show you. We need to be careful. I'm so. See this? It is very faster. Wait a minute. If we do double touch, if we do the double touch, it will off. And this is up and down. I don't know what. So let's wait a minute. Okay, but if we go, it will go very high, and sometimes for air, it will go that side also. So we need to go there and take it. Very dangerous. Okay, now I'll fly it and show you. I'm so scared. We'll go on that side. Or I'll do it. I'm so scared. I don't know how my daddy can take it. Okay, it's already on. I will do it. Are you? Okay. Oh! Ha! It gone. We need to sometimes it will go far and we can't operate this. So if we sometimes we need to do double touch here and it will off. But sometimes if it is near, we can do it only one touch like this. Okay, we'll do it again. So first let's go here because it is very dangerous to hit on there. I'm so scared. Oh! But it will not damage. Nothing. And all lights will come. I will off it. Okay. It is the wings are quality and it will not break. Oh, very nice. Very nice. If you can, you will get in big cities. So you can take it. It will come anywhere. Okay, so we can get it. Okay, if you like it, you can take it. And if you like my video also, subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Bye bye.